So you're scrolling through our blog post, 36 Indoor Playground Wallpaper Murals to Inspire, to get design ideas, but you're not sure what it's like to work with us? Here's a review from a past customer given when she was interviewed by local TV station CHCH Morning Live at her grand opening.
Let's go back out front because I want to show off some of these murals are fantastic. Kelly, who did these?
So I got all the murals. So these are actually mural wallpapers. They were done, so they're actual murals that were then turned into wallpaper. And I've gotten them from About Murals, and she's local to Hamilton. She also did all of our hand-painted murals. We've got a couple in the theater and a couple at the front. But it really adds to the playground, the color, and just they're fun. Like especially the ones in the vet clinic. There's like a mouse in a hospital
So
bed.
did you kind of guide her through each what you wanted, and then she kind of created
before
them?
we opened, when we were literally just drywall and like nothing else, she came through with me and she had a great vision, and she helped me decide what to pick. So she had a book with all of these murals for anything I could have wanted, and it's great. So there's like a mouse in a hospital bed, a little mini bike, giraffe with Band-Aid, and she came out and she walked me through it, and they were really easy to hang.
How many times you hit your head a day?
Me, not so much. Parents, a few times.
Yeah, right?